Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, how are you all? Today is 23rd December and our chapter is weight. So open up your books, page number 124. Today we will learn approximating weight. Approximating mean tell the closer. हमने आपने closer weight बताना है कि if the weight is not closer to exact kilograms, if it is given like कोई object है, its weight is 1.5 or 2.5. So अगर 2.5 है, you wouldn't say it 2.5, you can say it is approximately 3 kgs. So let's grade 3. Open up your books. Grade 2. Open your books. Here you can see the first question. The weight of the pineapple is closer to 4 kg than 3 kg. We take the weight to be 4 kg to the nearest kilogram. Why we will take it 4 kg? You can see the weight needle shows the weight of the pineapple is 3. Let's make it more closer. So now you can see the weight needle pointing on 3.5, where it is pointing on 3.5. So you can say the weight of the pineapple is closer to 4 kg. That's why we will approximate 4 kilograms. Okay, grade 2. Now the next. The weight of the strawberries is halfway between 2 kgs, and 3 kgs. Can you say 2 kgs and 3 kgs? The weight of the strawberries is halfway between 2 kg and 3 kg. So now look in the picture. How you can say it is halfway? You can see it is 2.5 kgs, closer to 3 kgs, halfway between 2 and 3 kgs. It is halfway 2 and 3 kgs के closer है, 2 के भी closer है and 3 के भी closer है. So हम क्या करेंगे? We take the weight to be 3 kilogram to the nearest kilogram. It was closer to 2 kg and 3. दोनों का halfway है, between. Half में mean it is closer to 2 also, 2 kilogram and 3 kilogram also, but we will take it 3 kilogram. Okay, grade 2. Now look the next one. Now now you have to do question number 1. Find the approximate weight of the following items to the nearest kilograms. So have a look of the first one. The weight of the melon is closer to, can you see where the needle is showing? कितना weight है melon का? What is the weight of the melon? Watermelon weight जो है वो this time it is showing 0.5. कितना है? Half kg. How much? 0.5 mean 1/2. 1/2 mean we already know that 1/2 mean half. So we is closer to, you will write it is as half. We take the weight to be 1 kilogram. Okay, so you will write here 1 kg. Kg is written, you will write only closer to half, 0.5 kg. So we will take the weight to be 1 kg. Next one. So grade 2. Now the watermelon, the weight of the watermelon, look again. It is closer to 0.5 kg. We take the weight to be 1 kg. Okay. It is closer to, you can see it is closer to 0.5. The needle is pointing towards 0.5, okay, closer to 0 and 1. It is towards 0.5, half kg, very closer to 0 and 1 kg. So we will take it only 1 kilogram. It is closer or on 0.5 kilogram. So we will take it 1 kilogram. Next one, look at the next one. The weight of the coconut is halfway between, you can see in the picture, the needle is pointing towards 2.5 kilogram. So it is halfway between 1 and 2 kilogram. The weight of the coconut is halfway between 1 and 2 kilogram. We will write 1 kilogram and 2 kilogram. So approximate, we will take it approximate 2 kilogram. Okay, grade 2. Now the weight of the sugar is halfway between. You can see in your book, weight of the sugar is halfway between 0 and 1 kg. Between halfway kitna hai? You can see here is 0.5. The needle is pointing towards 5. Needle is pointing toward 5, so we will take it, we can say the weight is halfway between 0 and 1 kilogram. So approximate will be 1 kilogram. Okay, grade 2. So the approximate will be 1 kilogram.